Yes, but
Ano yun?
ayaw na. Okay,
Parang
sige.
may isa pang sing request.
Ako naman,
Followers.
kung siyempre natin yung best time. Pwede bang patiin natin si Belle? Ang happy birthday, Belle! 1, 2, 3, go!
Galing sa kanila lahat to. Kasi di namin alam kung kailan natin sila nakikita.
Gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung wish ko. Sana magkita-kita pa kami.
Alam mo, maraming celebrations dito na ito yung binibigay surprise. Pero kanina pa yun, Don Bell, pahingi naman ng hug. O, ikaw na lang at halika na dito.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just
here from the back, kahit sa taas, sa harap namin, dito sa kaliwa, maraming salamat sa inyo. We hope you will get there and don't forget to keep supporting us in season 2. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, Lord. Please, thank you, Rita. Thank you so much. Rahab Daya. Please,
Maraming salamat guys sa lahat ng pumunta. Ayun, thank you so much guys sa lahat ng pumunta. Ayun.
thank you, JCJ.
Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa lahat ng pumunta.
Thank you, Zach. Zach, you first. Sorry.
Guys, thank you so much for coming here. We love you guys. We will be here right now, so maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zach B. Yes. Thank you, Vikawi. Of course, Donnie. Message ko na siyempre.
Maraming salamat po guys. Please continue supporting us every week po yan. Maraming salamat for supporting us. We love you. Thanks for being here. It was nice to see you all in person. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, Daniel. Thank you so much. Gusto nila napapasalamatan talaga sa lahat ng sumuporta dito sa Glorota. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga fans na nagpunta agad. Supportahan niyo po ang Easy versus Duel. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat bago tayo mag-picture with na isa Glorota. Ngayon kay si Glorota, Rise of the Superstar, Rise of Star at Rise. Inapagkakain siya. Picture na po tayo lahat. At po tayo sa stage na nag-record. Again, salamat po rin sa supportahan po natin. Minsan tayo syempre makakalobi po yan sa I1 PFC. At syempre susunod po yan ang Bernasa Knockout. Pagkatapos po natin susunod po natin ang Bernasa Knockout sa I1 PFC.
Pasok na kayo, boys.